Hello students and parents. Welcome to the video series on Admission Process 2020. Today we are going to discuss the ACPC circular on MBA scholarship. Let me first take you to the ACPC website. So here is the home page of ACPC website. Here you need to go and click on BE BTech. When you click on BE BTech, you will see all the circulars that were uploaded. You need to go to the date 8/7/20, July month. There you can see various circulars. Click on MYSY scholarship. When you click on MYSY scholarship, you will see the whole circular that was uploaded by ACPC, and in this particular circular you will find all the details in both English and Gujarati. So now let's study the whole circular in detail. So now let me explain in detail the eligibility criteria for scholarship in Mukhyamantri Yuva Swawalamban Yojana, that is the MYSY scheme. Before starting the presentation, let me give one disclaimer. Please go through the same. Now this is the aim of the MYSY scheme, that is to provide financial and other scholarship assistance for meritorious and needy students of all classes for pursuing higher education in the state of Gujarat. Its beneficiaries are at school level standard 1 to 12 all students, and at college level it is for diploma students as well as any graduation course students after 12th. Further, let's understand the eligibility criteria for the scheme for the academic year 2021. Here we are going to discuss only about Science A stream students. So any Science A stream student who has passed standard 12 with a minimum of 80 percentile from recognized board from the state of Gujarat is eligible. Further, the annual income of parents should not be more than 6 lakhs per annum. The state government has approved the validity of income certificate for 3 financial years from the date of issue, so they can use it for 3 years. Further, the tuition fee scholarship for them is as per below. For admission in engineering technology graduate level program in government approved self-finance institutes, candidate is eligible for 50% of the approved annual tuition or 50,000 rupees, whichever is less. Further, they can also get scholarship for hostel accommodation and food assistance as per below. Student who has not secured admission in government granting aid hostel and who is residing outside the residential native taluka place is eligible for scholarship up to rupees 1200 per month for maximum of 10 months in a year. They also get book assistance, that is a one-time book instrument assistance in the first year of admission for the entire duration of the course is available up to rupees 5,000. Now let's understand how this scheme will be implemented. The sanctioned scholarship will be directly credited into the bank account of the student. The process of higher education assistance will be carried out by KCG, that is the Knowledge Consortium of Gujarat. Following is the web portal where you can do the online application. Nearly 91 help centers are established at various institutes and universities for students all over Gujarat. Following is this helpline number in case you have any queries. Following is the email address, you can mail them also. And for other details of the scheme, you can again visit their website. Further, if you have any query, you can contact our admission team at Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. Thank you.